Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Knock Knock. Today I'm going to tell you something about coronavirus. What is coronavirus and how we can protect ourselves from the deadly third wave of coronavirus. Actually, the coronavirus is not a single virus, it's a group of viruses which affects our two major human body system, that is respiratory system and the digestive system. As this virus enters through the nose or the mouth, it affects the respiratory system, the upper part of the respiratory system, and it gets down through the canal of the bronchus canal, and it passes through the lungs and blocks the passage of oxygen, so eventually causes the death of the individual inhaling that virus. And the second way it affects human body, it enters through the mouth and move down into the stomach to the gastrointestinal tract, where it affects the body's organs and causes the individual nausea, vomits, diarrhea, and this can also cause to death. As this virus enters through mouth or nose, only two passages are available for inhaling these deadly viruses, so it can also cause the loss of sense of smell and taste. This is the first and primarily the sign of COVID positive. This is an airborne disease and it cannot be washed away by the rain. Rain can only dilute a small amount of this virus but cannot wash away. The stats of the death rate in Pakistan is very high, and if you are safe from the first and second wave of COVID, then you can also defeat it in the third and the most deadly phase of wave of COVID-19. So we have to adapt a few changes in our lifestyle. First, we have a list of do's which we can change in our lifestyle and have a healthy routine. We have to use a plenty amount of fresh fruits and vegetables, and we have to follow and maintain a healthy lifestyle. We use dairy products and lean meat. We have to cut down the sugar intake, and we should take a plenty amount of water so that we can be safe from COVID. There are some natural immunity boosters are available, which include the citrus fruits, ginger, honey, the nuts, and some fruits, which are very good source of immunity. And some artificial immunity boosters are also available in the market, and they are readily available in order to improve your immunity. We have to do what? Wash our hands. Wash our hands after every 1 or 2 hours. There is no when time to wash our hands. Wash our hands properly and clean them. We should cover our face, our nose and mouth, not only ours but also our kids, with a proper face mask in a good way. Then secondly, what we have to do, if we need to cough or sneeze, we should cover our face with a tissue paper or a hanky and dispose of that tissue paper or the towel or the thing you are using to cover your face. Dispose of immediately. We should keep social distancing. We should keep ourselves apart from the other person at least 6 feet away. We should maintain a social distancing habit. The next we have to do is to sanitize our hand with a good sanitizer, hand sanitizer. antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal. All the properties should be in that sanitizer. Hand sanitizer. The next habit we have to adapt in order to save ourselves from third deadly wave of COVID-19 is to work from home. Work from home, either to study or to work. We should use the option of online. And if we have to need to go to bank or other thing, we should take an appointment. Even before visiting a doctor, we should take an appointment and go at that time in order to avoid the public gathering, as this virus enters through mouth and nose. So there are few don'ts we should adopt in our life. The number one don't is do not shake your hand with other person. Just greet one another with your mouth and cover your mouth with a face mask. The second thing we don't have to do is avoid public transport as much as you can. The next thing we can do is do not touch your face, eyes, nose, and lips. And these are the main receptors in which the coronavirus can travel into your body. Avoid the public gathering, whether it is a marriage ceremony or the death ceremony. Avoid public gathering as much as you can. Stay home, stay safe. Get yourself isolated if you are sick and be away from the sick person. Beside doing all these precautions, we should keep ourselves motivated and pray to Allah and recite this prayer dua for safety. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. La yuzurru ma ismihi shay'un fil ardi wa la fis samai wa huwa samiun. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the video, share it with your friends and family. Allah Hafiz.